everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log Netflix profile with password. So last Netflix have introduced the pin lock feature for individual profiles that you have with your Netflix account. Most of us share our Netflix account with our close friends or family members, and one big problem is the privacy, especially like when we are keep track with each and every TV shows that we enjoy watching. Some of our friends or family members, without knowledge, they may enter into our profile, continue watching the episodes from where we actually left off, or they may try to watch like kids content, which will change the history of our Netflix profile and the content suggestions that Netflix gives us to watch more like this or similar content or similar TV shows and movies. So to prevent that, the pin lock feature is very mandatory, and at last Netflix have introduced it. So here in this video I'm going to show you how to use the pin lock feature with your Netflix account. So first thing is you have to log into your Netflix account, and then from the right top corner select your Netflix profile and then click on account, and then you have to scroll down to your personal profile which you want the pin lock to be enabled. And when you click on the down arrow, you will see that the profile log feature is here. So tap on change and then enter your Netflix account password once, and then click continue and check box. You have to require a pin to access Robinson profile, and I'm going to just set something. And if you want to restrict other users of your Netflix account to add new profile, then you can check this box. So click on save, and that's all. Right now you can see the log icon next to your profile name. And now if you go to the home page and click on manage profile, as you can see the log symbol is there. Click on done, and now when you try to enter your profile, it will prompt you for the pin to access this profile. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.